Nexo is a crypto platform for earning interest on your crypto holdings and borrowing funds against them. In 2025, it offers a user-friendly app available on iOS, Android, and web with features like AI-driven portfolio optimization and Web3 wallet integration. Regulatory compliance is strong, with licenses in over 200 countries. To get started, sign up in the app and verify your email. Complete KYC by uploading ID and proof of address, typically processed in under 24 hours. Then deposit crypto or fiat to fund your account. You can earn interest by depositing assets into the yield vault. Rates average 8 to 12% APY. Interest compounds daily and is paid out monthly. You can also borrow against your crypto collateral using a loan-to-value ratio. Interest rates start at 5% APR. Repay loans anytime. Liquidation occurs if collateral value drops too low. This enables you to use your crypto without selling it. The Nexo card is a Visa-backed debit card that lets you spend your crypto or fiat currency globally. It offers cashback rewards up to 2% on purchases. Apply directly in the app and link it to your Nexo account for instant conversions at market rates. The card supports ATM withdrawals up to $1,000 per day and integrates seamlessly with Apple Pay and Google Wallet for convenient mobile payments. Security features include PIN protection and contactless payments. Nexo emphasizes security with two-factor authentication and decentralized custody options. Fees are generally low, but borrowing interest and ATM charges do apply. The app provides 24/7 chat support and educational resources for users. Nexo is part of the growing DeFi lending market, and users are increasingly using it for earn-while-hold strategies to generate income from their crypto holdings. Current trends include cross-chain support for multiple blockchains. Looking ahead, Nexo plans AI-enhanced yield prediction and NFT staking features.